Alright, so we're gonna do a straight to the point light painting tutorial with some toy photography. I'm going to use the collection of my 3-0 Power Rangers 1/6 scale figures. I love Power Rangers, I love the comic books by Boom Studios. It's probably the best thing that happened to the franchise, so it's like, you guys gotta check it out if you're a Power Ranger fan. The camera I'm using is a Canon R6 with a 35mm RF lens. My aperture is f/16, ISO is 100, and the shutter speed is 4 seconds. I'm using a YN360 light wand that I bought some years ago. It's pretty nifty. And what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna experiment. I'm gonna try out different motions with my hands to paint the scene. So I have my light off in my office. That way no other ambient light can pick up. Alright, let's give it a try. So as you see with this one, it's not bad, but it wasn't the effect I was going for. Mainly because I was moving the light a little bit too quick for the sensor to pick up. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna drag out the light, meaning I'm gonna go a little bit more slower with my hands and create a moving wave motion to see how it turns out. Now that's the effect I was going for, like a streak of light panning across the screen. And yeah, let's try it again. This one put a slight variation to my motion to get that little scoop right in the middle, and I love the way it came out. Alright, and that's it. Bye.